This is the Perfect Cut, the all-in-one utility knife for cutting complex shapes. When you're decorating your home, when you're making toys for your kids, models, or props. Perfect Cut makes you finish the job easier, quicker, and precise. With a specially designed cutter, we created 4 modules. The Vari-Angle module controls the angle of cutting at a 5-degree interval, lets you precisely cut every single edge and pile up a tower like a 3D printer. We changed the way of holding the cutter to let you cut with less effort. It's about efficiency. We control the depth and angle of cutting. Circle cutting is essential. Put one hand on Perfect Cut, the other on the material, and rotate. When you're framing up your photos, Perfect Cut keeps the edge at 45 degrees and works on cardboard, foam, and ham. We are Polar Lab. We are designers and engineers. Started from 20 years of experience in model making, we developed through hundreds of user tests, prototypes, and more tests because we want to bring the best to you. Thank you for bringing this to life and into your hands.